Good morning. So basically, my mic stopped working here, but I am going to take you in a day in my life where I don't have any classes. And the first thing I will be doing is basically going to pay some bills and also go to do some grocery shopping. So, without further ado, let's just get into it. I'm finally back home and I'm literally so tired. I walked so much because today there are no buses, like local buses, so I had to walk and walk and walk. And for some reason, it was hot. Like, it shouldn't be hot since yesterday rained and it's literally fall, but I don't know. But, anyways, I went to do all these things like the groceries and paying the bills at like 1:32 p.m. And right now it's 3:40 p.m. It took me longer than I thought. So yeah, right now I will be starting to get all my college work done. It is time to be even more productive. So let's just get into it. All right. So I just finished working on one of the projects. I didn't really finish it. I just have to like hand in what I have right now. And the next week is when I have to hand in everything, like the 50% of the project, and also do the oral presentation. The subject I was working on was artistic reflection, which is basically the history of art. And well, I have to choose one of the graphic designers and analyze depending on the historic movements the artist has. But basically, it was all like writing, there was nothing designing. But, anyways, I just got to know that I have a dinner today because it's the anniversary of my grandparents. So I will be going at night to have dinner. And before that, I want to like finish some client work and then start to get ready. So now, yes, let's just do some design things. So I just came back home and I had so much fun. Literally, I ate so much and I'm so full. But, anyways, after doing all the client work, I was watching the match of Barcelona and Inter. So, like, I was watching that with my brother. I didn't really understand much, but I just watched it for fun. And then afterwards, got ready, went for the dinner, and just came back. But yeah, today was a really long day, and I'm so tired. I feel like this whole week will be so long and so hectic. Because tomorrow I have class in the morning, then I have to go pay the rent, which is a 1 hour and a half of trip, and then come back. That's 1 hour and a half more. And then afterwards, I have to like finish all the homework that I didn't do today. Then on Thursday, I have finally my nail appointments, and that will be taking me the whole afternoon probably. And then on Friday, I have a hangout with friends. But, anyways, that is all for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing more day in my life videos since those are the most fun for me, at least. I find them so much fun. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.